Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to appear offline on Steam. First, open the Steam app on your computer and log in. In the top left corner of the window, click on the word Friends. From the menu that opens, click on Friends List. Your Friends List window will open. At the top of this window, you will see your profile name and picture. Right next to it, you will see your current status. It might say Online, Away, or Invisible. Click on this status. A small menu will appear with the different status options. Here you can choose Invisible if you want to look offline but still use chat, or you can choose Offline if you want to appear completely offline. Select the option you prefer. Once you select it, your friends will no longer see you online. You can change back anytime by reopening your friends list and choosing Online again. That is all you need to do. Now, you know how to appear offline on Steam using the friends list. Thanks for watching.